Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have another mini lock Monday. This one is an Abus. What is it? It's an 8540. It can be a tricky little booger. Sometimes it comes open easy, and then other times it seems like I can't pay it to come open. So just going down the row, kind of back and forth, trying not to overset. Sometimes the way this is scooped, when I try to get 5, it'll overset pin 4. Now all of a sudden I can't seem to get the pick in there. There we go, pin 5. And boom, we're open. Made in Germany by the Abus Lock Company, the 8540. That's it. Mini Lock Monday. Thanks for stopping by and have a great rest of your day.